If you feel like you're only using your iPhone for the basic default apps, you are missing out on some incredible tools. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 extremely useful iPhone apps that will completely change how you use your phone daily. These are apps I personally use on a regular basis and genuinely recommend from experience. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like to help us grow. Now, let's jump straight into app number 1.
The first app I use almost every day is Final Cut Camera by Apple. If you shoot video on your iPhone and want real control over your camera, this is the app for you. Think of it as the iPhone's built-in camera app, but on steroids. What I love about it is the full manual control. Focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO, everything in one place, just like a professional camera.
For pro iPhone users, you can also shoot in log format, which gives you much more flexibility in editing, especially if you're working with Final Cut Pro or any serious editing software. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, or just want your videos to look more professional, at home, on vacation, or anywhere, Final Cut Camera is absolutely a must-have app.
The next app is called FrameLab.
It's a completely free app with no ads at all. What it does is simple but very clever. You take a screenshot from your iPhone and place it inside an iPhone frame. You can then save the result directly to your gallery. There's a wide selection of iPhone models and a huge library of background colors. It's perfect for presentations, social media posts, or just showcasing an app in a much more professional way. And in just a couple of taps, you get an image that looks like it was professionally designed. If you're a content creator, developer, or work in social media, FrameLab is definitely an app worth knowing. The next app is called Delta. If you grew up with Game Boy, Nintendo DS, or even NES, this is pure nostalgia in your pocket. Delta is an emulator that lets you run classic games directly on your iPhone. The app looks and feels great, even mimicking the controller layout of each console. You play using on-screen controls and everything runs smoothly. It includes autosave, fast loading, and you can jump in for a few minutes and leave without losing progress. If you're a gaming fan or just want to relive childhood games, Delta is one of the most fun apps you can have on your iPhone. The next app is called Currency Plus. It's also completely free and ad-free. It's a currency conversion app, but what makes it stand out is the design. It supports liquid glass and looks like something Apple would have built themselves. Everything is clean, fast, and easy to use. You can quickly add or remove currencies, change themes, and get a clear view of exchange rates. If you travel often, deal with multiple currencies, or just like beautifully designed apps, Currency Plus is a great choice. The final app is FreeWall. It's a free wallpaper app for iPhone. What makes it great is that there are no ads at all. No pop-ups, no interruptions, just a clean experience. You can save wallpapers to your favorites and preview how they will look on your lock screen before downloading them. The app is constantly updated, so it's easy to discover new wallpapers every day. Most importantly, the interface is simple, clean, and easy to use. Exactly what you want when all you're looking for is a fresh wallpaper for your iPhone. If you like refreshing the look of your iPhone from time to time, FreeWall is definitely worth checking out. Those are 5 apps that completely change the daily iPhone experience. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming Apple tips and guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.